At the center of the Americas, there is an adventure that all hikers must live. A transformational expedition that challenges you to cross an entire continent. El Camino de Costa Rica is the newest entry in the world-class hiking scene, an experience of deep connection with nature, culture, people, and yourself. "280 kilometers, 16 stages, 6 climate zones where you will immerse yourself in the beauty of the forest. Experience the power of volcanoes. Witness the vibrant green noise of the jungle, the real essence of Costa Rica's famous Pura Vida. Warm smiles greet you as you start your journey engulfed by the exuberance of nature at the Pacuare River Delta on the Caribbean coast. Moving deeper inland, you cross the indigenous Nairi lands. The jungle becomes forest. And the trail leads you down deep into the crystalline, purifying waters of a river as you make it to the other side. As you reach the top, you soak up breathtaking visions of the world stretching away in the horizon in all directions. El Camino is an incredible moving experience that will take you all the way to the Pacific Ocean. Every step deepens your connection with nature and brings you closer to your true self, closer to your goal, and closer to reaping the rewards of an expedition that will live with you forever.